In this video, I'll tell you the top 3 reasons why you really need to take care of your health now. And by the end of this video, I'll also tell you how you can gain control of your health and honestly, of your life. Hey there, I'm Dr. Anna. I'm a medical doctor. I was trained in Italy. And on this channel, you're gonna learn how to master your health. So here's the first reason why you really wanna take care of your health. Modern medicine is not a magic bullet, unfortunately. Although we have some incredible life-saving medicines that can literally reverse some chronic diseases and even things like cancer, nothing comes for free. Having all of this amazing medicine does require more trips to the doctor, sometimes complications of the medications or side effects, pain, suffering, and even money. So believe me when I say that the best thing that you can do is to avoid getting these diseases in the first place, otherwise known as prevention. And the good news is that there are lots of ways we can avoid having chronic disease in the first place. The science is telling us this over and over again. Now here's the second reason you really want to start taking care of your health. What you do today impacts your tomorrow very dramatically, even more than you might realize. If you don't believe me, go talk to some folks in their 60s or later, and they will tell you how getting old is terrible and they are starting to feel pains or suffering. But I'm telling you now, that is not inevitable. It's not a required part of getting older is to get sick and unwell. Often, people who are feeling unwell when they're old are suffering the pain of what their behaviors were when they were younger. And the reality is that the pain and the suffering of illness in older age is so much greater than the difficulty or the pain of healthy behaviors when you're younger. In general, humans are really bad at thinking forward in time. And that makes sense because our biology is primed with mechanisms to experience our moments. We have these pleasure and reward pathways in the body, things like dopamine, neurotransmitters, and hormones that pull us into our moments. Think, for example, about a workout. A good workout is going to make you feel good during and also after throughout the day. But working out in one day is not necessarily going to impact how you feel the next day or the following week. Instead, what will impact that the most is the continuous act of exercising, repeated healthy behaviors. That is going to set you up for feeling well for as long as possible. This is the third reason why you really want to start taking care of your health today. Unfortunately, our medical system in the United States may be nearing a breaking point. If you or a loved one has had to visit a hospital in the last few years, you may have noticed that we have a massive shortage of nurses and doctors, especially in the primary care space. And to make matters worse, at the same time, our population is aging. What this means is we're about to have way more patients who are in the age bracket of 65 plus. And it just so happens that these people often have more complicated health situations. There's usually more than one thing going on at a time. That's going to require all of the healthcare personnel to spend more time on each individual patient. And you don't need to be a mathematician to realize that that equation is not looking good. That's going to impact people like you and me. But hear this. In our society, we've been taught to think that getting diseases is inevitable in life. But I'm here to tell you that that is absolutely not true. There is so much that you can do to prevent getting diseases in the first place, which we know is the best way to cure anything, is to not even have it. You really are in control of your health and in control of your life. What you do today will impact your tomorrow. But not only that, it's not just a direct impact, it's a compounded effect. You might not be noticing big changes with the little habits you're doing in your daily life now, but believe me when I say it is making a big difference. Now I'm gonna get on my soapbox for a second. This matters so much for your health, my health, but also the health of our communities and really our whole world. If we are going around not taking care of ourselves and assuming that the healthcare system is just gonna fix all of our problems, we are creating a very unhealthy world to live in and a very problematic world. I don't know about you, but that is not a future that I want to see. So I'm on a mission here to help as many of you as possible regain your power, claim your health now, and make your life as incredible as it can really be. So please share this message with as many people as you can, especially those you love the most. Everyone deserves to understand that their health is in their hands. And if this fires you up as much as it fires me up, comment and share below with us what's going through your mind right now. Are you somebody that's really enthusiastic about taking care of your health? Or are you at a turning point where now you realize that this is the moment for you to jump on board? And if so, you're probably probably wondering how you can get going with some of these healthier habits to reclaim your health and take charge of your life. Well, luckily for you, I have a really amazing video where I talk about one of my favorite ways to get going on your health, which is eating the Mediterranean diet. It's very simple, it's evidence-based, you're gonna love it. I'll see you over there.